I'm busy. You want to come right now? Get out! Come right now! Boom, boom, boom.
We got that boom, boom, pow.
Boom, boom, boom.
They try to copy my swagger.
I love you.
All right, we got milk.
What does the fox say?
Why the fuck would he say that?
What does the fox say?
This is how I kiss doggies. Say yo mama.
Yeah, mama.
Say duh.
Duh.
My wife says I sound like Gru when I have road rage.
Apparently, you got your driver's license from a cereal box.
Give me this purse.
Don't worry, I'll save you! Hey, yo, mom! Let me get your number!
How to get a job in 6 seconds.
Bonjour. Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous?
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon. Inside a watermelon.
So that means Monday and Thursday we'll finish it, and the following.
Why? Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
How to pick up girls.
Look at her try to get it.
Baby, that don't.
Help me first! I'll save you. Woohoo! He's already gone.
Yeah, but that backflip though.
Oh! Oh! Stop! Stop!
You feel that, man? So did you hear it?
Those perfect relationship people gloat about it all over the internet. Then they break up. I'll be like,
Yes!
Gucci, I need a boyfriend.
Here. You sounded thirsty.
No, she wasn't ready.